Hey guys, I just wanted to thank you all for subscribing to my new channel and let you know what I'm going to be up to in the next year. In the coming year, you can expect more of me fiddling around with shampoos and soaps. I have decided to try my hand at soap making, and I'm probably going to be doing a citrus and coriander soap that is inspired by the hand soap at my grandma's house that I will really enjoy. I am going to be exploring more gourmand fragrances. I want to explore some realistic gin accords to see if I can work toward my ideal bar gourmand, Stateline, which is kind of a twist on Zephyr Cove, where it's more boozy, more of a nightlife thing. It's got gin notes, it's got absinthe notes, but it's also got that same kind of vanilla, cedar, sage, and pine backbone that Zephyr Cove has. I'm really excited about that one. You guys will also see me create an entirely new gourmand fragrance from scratch by exploring some historical ginger ale recipes that I found and pairing them with some of the gins that I've explored to make a speakeasy themed fragrance. I also intend to experiment with making scented candles. I'm excited to see if I can make a vanilla cedar sage scented candle that's as good as anything I can find in the store. So I'm going to be trying out several different kinds of scented candle project this year, including trying to make my favorite, vanilla cedar sage, but also trying out some of the formulas I've already discovered from Perfumery, like the gins and ginger ales I'm working on, as scented candles instead of as perfumes. And you will also see more shorts, more quick blend videos of me testing my new and my macerated formulas. This is one of my very first blends of Zephyr Cove, and I still have it. And you will get to see how my Perfumery matures over time. You will get to see me scaling up my Project Shampoo stuff and finally switching to the good brand of shampoo. There's going to be a lot of stuff coming up on this YouTube channel this year. You should check it out, and you should get back to me by joining this channel if you haven't already, and by watching my videos and commenting when you have something to say. I look forward to a new year together with you guys. Thanks.